Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Hanji ma'am, shall we start?
Yeah, hi.
Yes, okay. So, how are the classes going for Arya? Is it good?
अच्छी चल रही है. It's going good and she's able to remember most of the things and understand also.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. But thoda sa, I was watching that day. I think she needs to speed up. We need to speed up. I think not she. We need to speed up because ऐसा तो उसको she will take lot time. It will become like overly expensive for you. So let's see.
Yeah.
You will
हाँ,
get.
क्योंकि थोड़ा थोड़ा ही हो पा रहा है per
हाँ
class.
मैम वो देखो आई टोल्ड यू इफ यू रिमेम्बर ना इन द वेरी बिगनिंग आई टोल्ड यू किड्स के साथ वी कैन नॉट बाइंड देम टू गो फास्ट राइट
That is
अब
true.
नाउ यू विल लर्न यू विल सी व्हाट शी हैज डन ना इन व्हाटएवर आई थिंक कितने 10-12 lectures whatever she has taken that much you will be able to finish with me in 3-4 lectures only so that is the speed
Yeah.
that is the ratio so it's almost 3 or 4 times faster in your case and it will go
Right.
naturally I will not go faster naturally it will go in at 3 times more pace right
Yeah.
so that is the only thing like person to person that thing child to child that thing is very much different that's why we don't have any
Yeah.
fixed duration for kids okay it depends
Mm-hmm.
on the parents budget it depends on the parents time how much time
Yeah.
the kid can
Actually,
devote all
she
that
will be
thing
starting
hmm.
Kita from next week. तो
Okay
टाइमिंग का भी थोड़ा सा रहेगा तो वैसे तो हफ्ते में 2 बार तो करना ही है क्लास
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
बट फिर आई ऑल्सो वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ शी इज ग्रिपिंग ओवर देयर वहां पे कैसे समझ लोगों
ओके
को
हाँ हाँ
के साथ सीख रही है तो
हाँ
फिर
हाँ
उसके
हाँ
बेस पे करते हैं
हाँ देखते
आगे
हैं एक दिन तो वीकडे पे ले लेना बाकी कोई बात नहीं वन डे विल कीप इन द नाइट नो प्रॉब्लम वॉट एवर 5 o'clock यू
अच्छा
सेड ना टू शिवानी आई थिंक 5 o'clock जर्मन टाइम राइट 4 or 5 वॉट एवर
हाँ 4:30 भी चलेगा
हाँ हाँ
मतलब यहाँ
नॉट अ
का फोर
प्रॉब्लम
थर्टी
वील
भी
मैनेज
चलेगा
मैम दैट्स नॉट अ वरी बस अभी थोड़ा ये वीक लिटिल बिट बिजी वी आर ऑक्यूपाइड वी आर गोइंग टू weekend I am Shivani both are traveling actually for 2-3 days that is the only thing then we are back not a problem we can keep in the night also evening also not a worry okay
ओके बट द सेम बट एटलीस्ट सो नेक्स्ट वीक ही प्रॉब्लम है राइट
हाँ
अदरवाइज तो
हाँ no
वी
no
कैन
not at all yes yes obviously we have to keep not a worry okay
देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन वो
हाँ
चलो वो मैं कल शिवानी से भी पूछ सकती हूँ वैसे तो
okay
ये मुझे एक्चुअली क्या है, इसकी एक हिंदी क्लास भी स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं वापस तो इसकी मुझे डेट एग्जैक्ट मतलब डेज फिक्स चाहिए
अच्छा
कोई भी यानी इसके लिए सिर्फ
जर्मन के लिए राइट
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ
एक
ठीक है
वीकेंड पे हो जाएगी चलेगा पर
ठीक है
दूसरा
ठीक है
वीकडे वाला जो डे है ना वो
कोई बात नहीं
मतलब
नॉट अ वरी वी विल फिक्स इट विल शिवानी विल टेल यू शी विल फिक्स द डे टुमारो नो वरीज आई विल
ओके
इन्फॉर्म हर है ना
ठीक है
ठीक है बस वीकेंड पे आप मॉर्निंग में ही रख लेना क्लासेस डोंट कीप देम इन द लेट इवनिंग
हाँ तो
ओके
हमारा भी टाइम सेव होगा कहीं जाना भी हो तो इट विल
हाँ
बी
जी
इजी
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कीप इन इट इन द मॉर्निंग वट एवर लाइक एज सून आफ्टर हर ब्रेकफास्ट लाइक
हाँ
एट ओ
आई
क्लॉक
थिंक
नाइन ओ
9 o'clock
क्लॉक जर्मन
ऑल्सो
टाइम
आई
वट
एम
एवर
ओके
हाँ
इन द
जी
मॉर्निंग
ठीक है चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ राइट सो या आई शेयर माई स्क्रीन यू कैन सी राइट so all these things you know already okay though we'll be
या
starting from scratch again okay so see whenever we start the language we start with the letters first of all right a b c d all that you have done earlier okay so I am playing one video try to listen to it 2 times okay and then we will compare it with English right so see this is the German list of letters okay
एक्चुअली आई कैन उसको पढ़ाते पढ़ाते मुझे याद हो गया था इफ यू वांट आई कैन स्टार्ट राइट अवे रीडिंग इट इफ
okay
यू
okay
वांट
I'll just play the video for 2 minutes okay then you can read
श्योर
on your own yeah
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
okay so now you have to repeat okay repeat after me A B C D
A B C D E F G
hmm
Q
ha
R
ha ha
H I J
ka
K L M N O P
ha
Q R S Q R say right
S S S say is the sound
S
S S
S T S T
U, V, W.
Hmm. Yeah.
X, Y, und Z.
Okay. Und means and. So X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z. Okay. So see, what is the purpose of this? Just suppose you are telling your name to someone. So if the person doesn't know English, if you tell the spelling like SHWETA, the person will not be able to understand.
Right.
Okay. So in that case, you have to use the German list of letters. So I am sending you some names. We will practice from them. Okay. And then I am adding your name also in this.
Okay.
So you have to start from the top. Okay. I hope you can start directly, and you have to repeat the letters like V, E, S, H, N,
Okay.
U, like this. Yeah.
बोलूं?
हाँ जी, start.
V, E, से,
S slowly, not say S.
Sorry, S होता है. Okay. V, E, S, H, N, U. V, E, N, O, D, H.
Yeah. Next.
S, E, V, A, G, U, M, A, D, E. P, O, V, A, L, G, A, O, R, G, A. Then V, E, N, A, T, T.
Yeah.
T होता है कि टे होता है?
T stay. Okay.
नहीं, यहाँ टे होता है, राइट? टे, हा, आ, आर, एर, आ, ओ. एल, आ, का, एस, हा, एम, ई.
Yeah.
एर, ओ, फाउ, ए, एल, D, S, O, U, Z, A.
Yeah.
G, A, U, R, A, V, S, H, A, R, M, A. S, A, N, T, U, S, E, N, H, A, S, E, B, E, P, A, V, A, N, K, K, U, M, A, R, M, A, H, A, S, H, M, A, N, E, S, H, S is C, O, M, A, N, E.
Next.
And Deepak is D, A, P, A, K.
Ka.
A, K, T, A, then C, H, A, E, T, A, N, Y was Epsilon. A, M, E, S, M, E, C,
S.
R, S तो से होता है ना?
No. P, Q, R, S, T.
हाँ, sorry. M, E, S, H, R, A. R, E, S, H, A, B. H, A, L, T, O, R, A. And G,
Ga. Okay, yeah. G, correct.
Sorry.
Yeah.
G, A, N, A, S, H, and B, E, S, H, and T.
Next.
And S, sorry.
Yeah.
S, C.
S, not say.
Say. S to S, right?
Yeah, S and then ha.
हाँ.
S,
S.
ha.
Ha. Ve. A. Te. A.
Hmm.
Ge. U. Pe. Te. A.
Okay, good. So now we'll be starting with their sounds. Okay, so far we've done the letter names. Now we have to start with the sounds. Okay, right? Letter name is different, sound is different. So now we have to do the sounds. This PDF and all I will share with you. The very first rule which comes is, see what happens. Any word in German, if it is ending with BD or G, ending means in the end of the word if BD or G is coming, then respectively the sound will be per and ka. PT and K sound will come. Okay, so speak the example. Geep,
Geep.
Kind,
Kind.
and Tak.
Kind.
And Tak.
Tak.
Okay, Geep, Kint, and Tak. Then
Yeah.
next is A. So right hand side is the meaning. You can leave the meaning. We are not discussing the meanings right now. And middle is the sound. After the class, if you want to refer, you can refer the middle column. That is the sound. Then next is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay, after A, if it is one consonant, what is consonant? Is B, C, D till Z. So you have to count the consonants directly after A. After A, if it is one consonant, example F, R, A, G, E, N. So you can see after A, it's only one directly. Okay, because after G we have a E. So this is only the one, count is one, so A sound. So whenever after A, if it is one consonant, when A is coming directly before single consonant, that's A sound. A like car. Otherwise A like aman. Okay, 30% you can mix A in this, but morely it is A only. So it's example alt. Two consonants
Alt.
are there. Okay, after A it is more than one, so that's why it is alt, and here only one, that's why fragen and tragen. Right? Next is E. E is having the A sound. Example Essen and egal. Okay? You speak the example Essen and egal. Got it?
Essen and egal.
Egal, correct. Essen and egal. Next is I. So I is having two values. One is long E, one is short E. Right? So one is long E, one is short E. Speak the example ist, wieder, and built. Okay?
एक
Speak.
second. Ist.
Ist,
Either.
wieder, and built.
तो ये तो सब में E sound ही है ना?
Long E and short E. Okay?
अच्छा, okay.
Right?
Okay.
Long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant and long E,
एक
otherwise.
E है और एक E है.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
yeah, short E.
Okay.
Then next is O. O is having two values, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome.
Okay.
Right? Right? After O, if it is one consonant, then it is O sound, otherwise O for awesome. So speak the example. Oder.
Oder, Sol, Monad,
Corp. Okay. Oder, Zol, Monat, and Corp. Got it?
Corp.
Right? So single S is the, double S is the. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome.
Okay.
Right? After otherwise O for awesome. So Oder, Zol, Monat, and Corp.
Okay.
Simple? Okay. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Speak the example.
Tune, Mutter, and Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Tune, Mutter, and shoe. Okay. Tune, Mutter, and
तो
shoe.
by default वैसे U का sound तो U है ही, right?
हाँ, it's U only. That is what I am saying. U sound. And SCH is a combination. SCH sound is sure. Right? SCH sound is sure. So speak the example. Tune, Mutter, and shoe. Okay. Got it? Tune, Mutter, and shoe. Right?
Shoe.
Okay. Then we have the consonants. Okay. So first consonant is B. B in the end is per. From this table, BDG PTK. Right? We did earlier, na? BDG PTK. This one. So B in the end is per, and beginning or middle, everywhere else it's B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example. Belen.
Oben. Corp.
Corp. And
Geep.
Geep. Right? Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Corp and Geep.
Next is C. C is having the K sound only. Speak the example. Camping.
C is having K sound. Okay. Camping.
Okay.
And English.
Yeah. Correct. Camping. Why I have written English? They have taken this word from English, so you can simply speak them like English only.
Okay.
So that becomes like you can say camping or camping. Both are correct. Okay. Fine. Okay. Next is D. D in the end is star, and beginning or middle is D for dog.
D in the end is T.
From the table BDGPTK. And beginning of middle, D for dog. Speak the example. Dum.
Dum, bead,
Bida, not bead. Bida.
bide.
EI is a vowel combination. EI sound is I.
I
Okay.
sound.
And E in the end is A. So this becomes Bida.
Bider.
Yeah. Then Weeder.
Bider, weeder,
Hmm.
but, ant.
Hunt. Dum, Bida, Weeder, Bat and Hunt. Okay. Right. Next is F. So EI is a vowel combination. EI is I and IE is E. Next is F. F is normal for football. Okay. Speak the example. Foul.
Foul.
Because this AU is another combination. So total we have done 4 combinations. One was SCH. Okay. SCH is sure. Then EI is I and IE is E. 3.
Okay.
And the fourth one is AU. AU is ow. Okay. This becomes
sure.
foul.
Okay.
Yeah. This becomes foul. Yeah.
Foul and shaft.
SCH is sure. That becomes shaft.
Okay.
Next is G. G in the end is ka and beginning of middle is G for gun.
Ka.
Okay. G in the end is ka and beginning of middle is G for gun. So speak the example. Gegen.
Tak.
Yeah.
Klug. अच्छा
Okay.
क्लूक होता है.
Yes. Gegen, Tak and klug. Next is H. H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent. Okay. H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent.
Halt बोला है क्या ये?
Yes, halt.
Because A के बाद में 2 आए.
Little bit I you have to put halt. Little bit I in that. Okay. Halt. Correct.
Gain, Zen.
Yes. Halt, gain and Zen. Next is J. J is ya. Okay. Speak the example. Ya for Yunga. Correct. Okay. Ya for J is the ya sound. That is Yunga. Next is K, L, M, N, P. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Okay. Speak the example.
Okay. Cluster. Chicken. Keller. Will. Will तो will जैसा ही लग रहा है.
Yeah. Will.
Atman.
Yeah.
Atman. ना अच्छा ये Atman है.
Atman. Little bit I you have to put little bit I. Okay. Atman.
Little bit okay. Atman. Swim.
Yeah.
Cursor है. Rennen. Brown.
Correct.
Brown.
Yeah.
And lipper. Lipper.
Correct. Okay, lipper. Clear till P. So I am sending you this PDF file first of all.
The end is E.
Yes, I am sending you this PDF file first of all. Okay. So download this file. Go through it for 5 minutes. Tell me if you have any doubt in this. Okay. We have sufficient time available because I think already we are saving a lot of time. You have prior idea of these things. So go through this PDF file and let me know if you have any doubt. Then we'll start from Q. Okay. I'll send on Skype chat.
तो ये जो आप ALT alt है उसको alt नहीं बोलना है alt बोलना है.
Alt 20% A 80% A. Okay. It's mix of A and A. Alt. पूरा alt नहीं बोलना पूरा.
सुनने में तो alt जैसा ही लगता है.
वो actually why I'm in some words you will not face that kind of problem. You can say alt also, but there are some words in which you have to in that rule na, when after A there are more than 2 consonants. So in that you have to mix 10% 15% A in that. Okay, so that's why I'm making you to think in that way only. Okay, though anyhow even if you don't do in alt you will not face any problem, but there are many words wherein this rule is getting modified. Okay. So everywhere, like 9-10% these rules are helpful, but 1-2% you have to adjust as per the practical things spoken there. Okay. So that's why I'm saying that think in that way, that 80% A, 20% A. So that you always remember that 20% because in other words you might need that help. Okay. Yeah. Go through it once. Tell me if you have any doubt.
Okay, I'm done.
Start from the top. Only the examples you have to speak. From alt,
Okay.
fragen, tragen. Only the examples.
Okay. Uh, कहाँ पे है? Okay. Alt, Fragen, Fragen, Tragen, Essen, Egal,
Hmm.
Ist,
Hmm.
Wieder, Bild, Oder, Sol, Monad, Quark,
Yeah.
Tun, Mutter, Schur, Belen, Oben, Quarp, Keep,
Hmm.
Camping, 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 Camping.
Camping. Okay.
कैंपिंग ही बोलूं क्योंकि वो
You have taken this word from
साउंड
English.
वाला भी
Yeah.
तो आएगा ना तो
Bo-
कैंपिंग
But camping is more common actually. More prevalent is camping there.
अच्छा
Okay. That's
ओके
why.
कैंपिंग
Next D.
डूम बाइड वीडर
Bider.
बाट
Bider. E in the end is just like dunker. So bider.
अच्छा हाँ बाइडर वाट
Weeder.
वीडर
Hmm.
बाट हंट
Next.
फाउल शाफ शाफ
Hmm.
गेगन टाक क्लूक
Hmm.
halt gehen sehen
Hmm.
Junger
Hmm.
Klasse
Hmm.
Schicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Schwimm, Rennen, Brown, Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. Good. Right. Renan, Brown, and Lipper. Now we have to start with the next letter. That is Q. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So see here. Q always comes with U, and the QU sound is qua. Speak the example. Quare.
Square.
Correct. Next is R. R is glutteral. Glutteral means something coming from inside of neck. R, like the French R. R plus R mix. Okay. And one more thing. Whenever R goes to the end of the word, then the R degree will be less. Okay. 30% R, 70% H. Okay. It's very soft in that case. So this is Riser, Brooder, and Schwester. Speak. Riser,
Riser,
Brooder,
Bruder,
and Schwester.
Bruder,
Brooder. Don't make it Brooder. Brooder and Schwester.
Bruder, Schwester.
Schwester. Okay.
Schwester.
Next is S. Single S is the, double S is Sir.
Okay. Single, Schloss.
Schloss. Next is
Schloss.
T. T is T for tomato. Example.
Okay. Duncan, Ratten.
Yeah. Next is V and W. V is for, W is ver. Okay. V is for, W is ver.
Okay.
Volkswagen.
And,
Volkswagen. Speak.
Volkswagen.
Fox, not Fox. Fox. After O, two consonant,
Fox.
O sound.
Achha,
Volkswagen.
okay. O after two consonant. Before two consonant. Volkswagen. Okay. Wheel.
Next. Feel.
sorry.
V is for, feel.
V तो फ होता है ना हाँ sorry. Feel. For Wasser, vegan and wo.
Next is X. Speak the example. X is Strahlen.
Strahlen.
Okay. X is Strahlen. That's the actual word. X is Strahlen means X-rays.
X is what?
X-rays. X is Strahlen.
अच्छा X-rays को Strahlen बोलते हैं.
हाँ, X-rays is the word meaning for X-Strahlen. Okay. Next is Y. This image is a little bit cut from here. Y is UI. UI. Example TWIP. TYP TWIP.
Oh,
okay.
Epsilon is like Epsilon, ऐसा?
No, Epsilon is the letter name. I am talking about the sound. Sound is UI.
Sound, okay.
Sound is UI. TWIP.
हाँ, UI.
Okay.
TWIP.
Yeah. Next is Z. Z is mix of toy and sa. Okay. Z is mix of toy and sa. Example sight and sook.
Sight.
Yes. Sight and sook.
Sook.
I don't know from these ads and all. Na. There's no antivirus in Mac actually.
Oh.
Yeah, go through the file Q till Z.
Cool. Duncan, Ratten, Volkswagen, feel, for, Wasser, vegan, Strahlen, X का कोई और वर्ड नहीं है क्या?
There are very few words for X. You have to focus more on Z actually. X and Y इतना काम का भी नहीं आएगा आपके. Okay.
अच्छा.
Most of the words in X they are from for other languages like English or Spanish from there. So there are very few words which are native from German language. So you have to focus. Z is something very important. Okay, X and Y just for your knowledge. Okay, as such you will not be needing in that. So I'll tell you which are the most important consonants. Right. First is your this BDG. ओके दैट जिसमें ट्विस्ट है रूल्स के अंदर अदरवाइज तो बाकी तो जैसे LMN P है नथिंग टू लर्न इवन इफ यू डोंट डू देन आल्सो इट्स नेचुरली फ्रॉम योर इंग्लिश ओके सो BDG you have to take care after that J you have to take care okay J as we see the J sound was here H you have to take care then your S and Z बस ओके बाकी तो अगर आप नहीं भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा वॉट एवर रूल्स वी हैव डन ना दो रूल्स आर इन A O and I okay remaining places the rules are not there as such in vowels also so these out of 21 these 10 11 are something which will make your base for pronunciation remaining are just a formality to finish as such even if you don't do L M N P Q it's Q
similar है काफी
completely similar to English right QU is just like your English only that's why okay so start the example from
ये set तक
Okay, start from Q. Okay, only the example you have to speak. Queer, riser. R is also important. R is something very tricky. R you have to take care. Okay, don't stress R too much. Okay, stress in the sense ki I told you, whenever R is in the beginning, then R value will be more. If you see the PDF I've given there, like more R component, and the H component is little bit lesser. Okay, and when it's going in the end, then the R component is less. So when you speak brooder only you should be able to hear the R sound. Don't make it brooder kind of thing. Don't make it like that. Okay. Yeah, speak from here. Queer. Riser.
Riser. Brooder. Schwester. Zingen. Schloss. Duncan. Ratten.
Yeah, Volkswagen,
Field, for, Wasser, vegan, wo.
X,
then Strahlen.
X Strahlen. This ST I will take. ST I will take after this.
X तो बोलना ही यहाँ.
Yes.
X Strahlen. Then tube.
Twip, not tube. No. Wait. EU, it's not EU, it's ui, twip.
Ui, अच्छा हाँ.
Okay, EU is the sound for U umlaut. U umlaut is different that you will do
right.
now. Twip and then side sook.
Twip.
Yeah, and side sook.
And side and sook.
Okay.
Sook.
Yeah, now you have something very important. The combination ST sound is ishta. Okay, ST is ishpa, SCH is sh, TSCH is ch, and PF is f. You have
what is ch?
TSCH.
Choose wala, okay.
Same. TSCH is having two values actually. Okay. Not two values, two dialect. TSCH, some people they call cha, some people they call sh. Sound I am saying sound. TSCH sound.
For example, choose है तो वो कोई और लोग शुश बोलेंगे ऐसा?
नहीं बोलेंगे, उसमें नहीं बोलते. वो देखो what happens, choose is a very important greeting. अब good morning को good morning ही बोलेंगे, कितना ही difference हो English में. Okay, but in some other words, I'll give you the example. Example Deutsch. Okay, so you have seen people call Deutsch also, people call Deutsch also. That is the difference. Okay, actually. So in some areas they will say TSCH. In the remaining area, like even if you go to the North Germany and all, you might hear this Deutsch. Okay, and the remaining area of Germany you will hear Deutsch only everywhere. Okay, so this is the more common one. You have to prefer the more common one. Okay, the more common is cha only. Here I have written cha, so you can leave it. You can prefer cha for TSCH.
Okay.
Okay.
Sh, spur, sh, च and ये क्या है PF का फ
Fa, yeah. Stool.
स्टूल अच्छा हाँ सॉरी स्टूल स्ट्रा स्ट्रा आपका
Strafa,
माउस
Strafa,
क्या ना
Strafa.
नहीं वो दिख नहीं रहा है
Okay,
मुझे
okay, okay.
माउस आपका
Yeah,
हाँ
I removed.
स्ट्राफर स्पीलन स्पाइस स्पाइस
Spicer, Spicer.
स्पाइजर सॉरी स्पाइजर
Hmm.
and sports को sports
Sport, sport, sport.
sport
Hmm.
sport expression
Hmm.
tapfer ferd
Tougher and fed.
fared
Okay.
fared
Correct.
fared
Tougher and fed.
tapfer fared okay ये
Got
थोड़ा
it?
सा देखना है अच्छे से
Right. Okay. Then next is CH, right? CH is having two values. So this is very important. CH is having two values. One is kha and second is sha. Okay, so that is what you have to understand, right? One is kha and the second one is sha. So I am giving the values here. What is
sure
the rule? Whenever it comes after, what happened? Yeah, I don't know. After A, O or U, whenever CH is coming, it will be having the kha sound.
okay
Okay.
ये मैं लिखूं क्या कहीं पे
ये नहीं वैसे तो I have written it here if you see. One second. Oh, wait a minute. I have written it in the PDF. Yeah. It's written here AOU, but it's written in very short, so you can write in detail later. Whatever, yeah, and always is whatever I'm writing on chat. Now make sure after the class you are noting it down somewhere. You can do it after the class, okay? Right, so that saves the time, but do it later only. Yeah, so Nak, then Hawk, and one more you can take AUCH, Auk. Okay, fine. Yeah, so this is the rule. Whenever CH comes after this A or U, then it will be Kha, otherwise Sh.
okay
Simple.
okay
Okay, you have to always, otherwise it will be Sha only. Otherwise it will be
हाँ
normal.
otherwise sh sound और
हाँ.
AOU के
And
आगे
here in this also you will get lot of regional differences. जैसे वो बावरिया रीजन है ना तो वहाँ पे आपको जैसे एक दिस वन वर्ड कॉल्ड इश ICH आई के लिए यूज करते
हाँ
हैं
यहाँ
राइट
पे एक्चुअली यहाँ पे
इक
इच भी बोलते हैं
इक
लोग
इक 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 इक
इख भी बोलते इख नहीं बोलते इश बोलते हैं यहाँ पे तो
95% areas you will hear ish only. 5-10% areas you might hear ik. So be ready for that also. Okay, but you don't have to follow their dialect. Okay, so you don't have to get confused in whether I should say ish or whether I should say ik. Nothing like that. You
both
have
are
to.
correct
Both are correct. Both are correct. Okay, you have to say ish only everywhere. You fix your sound. Otherwise, na this language is something you will get more and more confused if you start copying the dialect of the person. So leave it. Okay, because we are doing those sounds which are more prevalent. Okay,
okay
right, we are doing those sounds which are more prevalent, so that is what you have to learn. You have to remember those rules only which are more prevalent. Okay, now if someone else is saying itch or someone else itch, to see itch is something wrong, I would say ik is correct. Okay, but again you
इच
have to
तो नहीं
prefer
होता एक्चुअली हाँ इच
you have to
गलत है
prefer
राइट
ish only
इश
everywhere. Yeah, so speak this example station.
स्टेशन
Next
एक मिनट मुझे वापस देखना है
tish.
CH is for Kirk AOU okay
Hmm.
station Tisch Schule Deutsch
Deutsch. Okay,
Deutsch
both are correct. Both are
Deutscher,
correct.
Deutsch.
Both are correct. Deutsch and Deutsch both are correct. Okay, Deutsch and Deutsch both are correct, but you have to prefer Deutsch only everywhere.
Okay, Deutsch.
Okay, so now what I'm doing, I have sent this PDF to you already, right? Yeah, so download this PDF file. Just go through this once again. Okay, from this Q till Z and these vowel combinations ST, SP, SCH, TSCH, and this CH. Okay, go through it once, then I'll be giving you some words to practice this good gap. Just go through it for 2 minutes, especially these combinations. If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay.
Yeah. ये तो आपने मुझे एक्सरसाइज कॉपी लेक्चर दिया है।
नहीं, before that, check it. I sent one more PDF, na?
उससे पहले, ओके हाँ।
I sent or not? I think one. Yeah, I sent na part 1, part 2.
हाँ,
Yes.
वो उसी कंटिन्यूएशन में ही है एक्चुअली।
Yeah.
नो, ये क्या था? ई से आगे तो स्टेकन नहीं बोल सकती ना मैं।
Station ना after E. CH is coming after E. Yeah, CH is coming after E. That's why sure. Okay.
Schule, Deutsch. Okay. हाँ.
Yeah.
ओके, ये तो हो गया। हाँ, मैंने वो डॉइच तक तो कर लिया।
Do one thing, start from this combinations. You have to speak the rule and the example. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stir, stool. Stool, then spur. अच्छा, stool, straffer, spur, spielen, spicer, and then sure. अच्छा, sport, and then sure. अच्छा, expression, then fur, tougher, fared. Then Berlin. ये बर्लिन का क्या है? कुछ है क्या?
Which one? Where?
आपने जो ऊपर
No,
लिखा है।
leave it. Nothing. Whatever I am telling you, only that is relevant. Leave all the other letters.
Okay,
whatever
that.
is written.
CH, when the CH comes after A, O, U. Okay, A, O, U. Ish, station, Tisch, Schule, Deutsch.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now, if you see, I have given some words there. Okay, in blue and the red color. Red color is the meaning, you can leave it, and the blue colored words, you have to try their pronunciation. You can take 2 minutes of time, go through it. Once you are ready, then you can speak after that. Okay.
Went to
ये आपने जो किसन के नीचे जो लिखा है वो क्या है?
Kurz.
KURG लिखा है कि Z लिखा है?
Z. Kurz.
Z, okay. Kurz.
KURZ.
Okay, बोलूं?
Yeah, start.
Okay, gut, gelb, magen, Freitag, gut, heben, lehren, haben, Jodler, Junge, Jahr, Jurist,
Yeah.
Jurist,
Yeah.
Klein, Wecker, Kissen, Kurs, Kurs,
Yeah.
Mag, Mus, Warm, Sturm, and
Yes.
Net, Donner, Gavin.
Okay, good. 1 second. Let me reduce the size. Okay. Yeah, go through it. Are you able to see?
I have my thing also open, so I can see in
Okay,
my.
then solve the complete page, page number 4, solve it, then we will discuss.
Okay. Zagan, Zupa, Sagan, Mason, Peasant, ओके मैंने पढ़ा तो है एक बार फोर्थ.
Okay, start. Party.
Party, rice, tappet,
Tapeter, tapeter.
tapeter, kufa, quark, qualifies,
No,
qualifies
no, wait. Qualifizieren.
अरे हाँ 5 ही सॉरी. क्वालिफिजरन.
Yeah.
अरे अपनी जगह पे.
Next.
Kitung,
Hmm.
कोरोम,
Hmm.
रोलशू,
Hmm.
रेस्ट.
Hmm.
रेस्ट हुआ ना कि रेक्ट
Yes,
हुआ?
rest. RECST, rest.
रेस्ट. फारन,
Hmm.
बुटर,
Hmm.
सुपर, जुपर, जागन, मेसन, बेसन, ट्राउ.
Troy. No, wait. Troy. EU is oil. Troy.
यू ट्रॉय ओ वाई. ओके ट्रॉय.
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे क्रॉसबर्ग करके एरिया है, उसका स्पेलिंग भी यू ही होगा शायद.
मेरे को स्पेलिंग बताओ, मैं उधर गया नहीं हूँ. बताओ.
एक
मेरे को
मिनट.
मेन एरिया पता है, बर्लिन म्यूनिक, ये रीजनल नहीं पता मेरे को. बताओ स्पेलिंग भेजो.
हाँ एक सेकंड ना, मैं भी देख लेती हूँ स्पेलिंग में.
कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है?
हाँ क्रॉसबर्ग में तो उसको क्रॉसबर्ग बोलते हैं लोग. KREUZBERG क्रॉसबर्ग.
हाँ तो EU आते ही ऑय हो गया, वो क्रॉय हो गया. क्रॉयसबर्ग. ओके,
क्रॉसबर्ग.
बिल्कुल मिल गया मेरे को.
हाँ तो मैं ओके.
आप उसको क्रीयू या क्रू कुछ बोल रहे होगे, राइट?
हाँ
नहीं.
ट्रॉय.
क्रॉसबर्ग बिल्कुल, नो डाउट. EU 100% ऑय. ओके, 1000%. इसमें तो वाल कॉम्बिनेशंस के अंदर तो देयर इज नॉट इवन 1% एक्सेप्शन. ओके, आई टोल्ड ना कि BDGPT में थोड़ा एक्सेप्शन है, ए के साउंड में देयर वाज लिटिल बिट एक्सेप्शन, आ एंड अ. But in the vowel combinations, now this EU, I will give you today itself in this PDF only. So these vowel combinations, you can blindly, you have to learn the rule. EU is OI 200%, not even 1% scope of exception.
अब इसको कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन बोल रहे हो?
Vowel combination. This you will do today. We will do today.
अच्छा वाल. ओके.
Has she not done it, Arya? She has not done it.
हाँ उसने किया है पर
Okay, okay,
मैं
okay.
ऐसे इतने
हाँ
सारे
हाँ हाँ
वर्ड्स
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं, I was just
confuse हो
checking क्योंकि
ट्रॉय
many times ना what happens, वो small kids are not able to understand these combinations, so that's why we take it in chunks कि ठीक है धीरे धीरे in the mid of the course एक दो combination दे दिए. It's very difficult to teach them all together, so that's why वो kids के केस में curriculum break हो जाता है आगे पीछे ना, we have to take the things in a very simple way, that's why. Okay, तो आपको तो अभी I will make it today itself, we'll do it in 2 minutes. Okay, हाँ जी.
ओके
Troy next.
फ्लिर्ट
Yeah, yeah,
प्लॉट
yeah,
बार्ट
yeah.
देन फरकैट
Fair cat, not fur. Fair cat, fair cat.
फेरकैट फॉल फियर
Hmm.
फुलगा वारुम
Yeah,
वारुम
yeah.
वेयर
Hmm.
फेरवेंडुंग
Fervendung, Fervendung. Yeah.
क्या बोले
Fervendung, little bit curve will come. DGGPT के
ओके
Fervendung.
फेरवेंडुंग अंडर स्व
Under swo.
स्व
Hmm.
अंडर सु
Su.
ब्लिट्स
Hmm.
क्राडसन
Hmm.
सेपल
Zeppelin, Zeppelin, Zeppelin is old aircraft.
सेपलिन
Zeppelin. हाँ जी. Okay, now we have
Zeppelin,
something
right?
very important. Okay, so 3 umlaut letters are there. These 2 dots are called umlaut. Okay, so these are something extra from our usual English ABCD, right? So A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, 3 extra letters are there. Second point, their sounds are not at all linked to the normal A O U, nothing to relate with them, so leave it. Okay, A O U is different thing, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut is different thing. So A umlaut sound is A. Okay, A umlaut sound is A. Speak the example. Alter.
Alter,
Yeah. Next, O umlaut is your.
uh,
O umlaut is your. It's a very short sound. Sean and Morgan. Speak.
Sean,
Sean and Morgan.
Sean, Morgan,
हाँ,
Mu-
इतना म्योर नहीं बोलना. It's very
Morgan?
short. It's very short. Morgan.
Morgan.
Okay. Little bit travel come. Morgan. Don't make it म्योर. Don't make it like that. Okay. Right.
Okay,
Sean
Morgan.
and Morgan. Next, U umlaut is you.
पर मॉर्गन वाले के अंदर तो मॉर्गन वाले में ये योर मॉर्गन नहीं है
It's very short sound, very short fraction of second. Morgan.
Okay.
हल्का सा रहा आएगा बिल्कुल हल्का सा आपको अलग. You don't have to highlight it separately. म्योर, don't do like that. Okay. It's very short. Okay.
Morgan.
As you speak now, you will get that practice. Don't
Morgan.
worry. Yeah.
And
Tuer and Flusser. Okay. Tuer and Flusser. Yes.
क्या वो एक से मैं हमेशा ये यूई वाले में थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा है मुझे.
हाँ जी.
यूई में आपने ऑय साउंड बोला था, राइट?
That is why.
That was different.
Y is different. EU is different. Okay. EU is a vowel combination OI. That is totally different topic. Y is totally different topic, and U umlaut is totally different. U umlaut is U. Speak. Tuer and Flusser.
Okay, so tuer
And
Flusser.
Flusser. Yes. Now we have something very important. Okay, this is the last part of today. Vowel combinations which I was discussing so far. Okay. So double A is A. Speak the example. Har and par. Example. Har and par. Par. AU is AU. AU is AU. Example. Frau and blau. Okay.
Blau, Frau.
Yes.
Fräulein.
Wait. Let me explain first. A umlaut U. A umlaut U is OI. Okay. Try to understand the sound also. OI. Example. Fräulein and Bräunen.
Fräulein.
And Bräunen.
Braunen.
Bräu. See, that's what I'm saying now. OI. Bräunen. Okay.
Bräunen.
Yes. Next.
T.
No. Wait. See the rule
अरे
first.
हाँ A Y, right?
Yeah, double E is A. So T and Sne. Okay. T and Sne. Next, EU and A umlaut U is same. OI. Okay. EU and A umlaut U is same. That is OI. Example, Freude and Scheu.
Freude and
Scheu.
Scheu.
Yeah. Then after that, next one is EI. EI is I. Example, Fry and Nina. Okay. Fry and Nina.
Fry and Nai and Zeben.
I is E. हाँ rule तो पढ़ो पहले. I is E. Zeben.
I is E
Zeben.
and
double O is O.
Zeben.
Boat. O. Double O is O.
Double O is O.
O.
So boat.
Yes.
Double O is boat.
Last one is your beta. Beta is having the S sound. Example, Asan and Gross. Okay.
इसको S बोलते हैं.
इसको एस्टसेट बोलते हैं. लेटर नेम इज एस्टसेट.
लास्ट
Set.
जी वाला जो साउंड है सेट वैसा ही साउंड है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, but don't replace it with double S. Okay, beta is different, double S is
हाँ हाँ
different.
हाँ.
Okay, and the letter name is Esteset. The letter name is Esteset.
क्या
Okay,
बोलते हैं लेटर नेम?
Esteset, Esteset. It's written here. See,
एस्टरसेट.
Esteset.
एस्टरसेट.
Okay, and this is Asan and Gross.
Gross.
Okay, got it, right?
Okay.
Okay, so go through it. Let me close this, right? 1 second. This also I have sent you, and I have sent you. Okay, this also we'll leave it. This exercise is PDF I have given you, so you can leave it right now. Abhi nahi karna hai. In the next lecture we'll be seeing it.
Okay.
Okay. In the next lecture we'll be seeing it. So yeah, today we'll be doing till here only. Okay. Now next class, tell me when can we keep now? Next.
तो एवरी वीक थर्सडे ही रखना है तो भी चलेगा बिकॉज इसका अब
I
स्कूल
am
स्टार्ट हो रहा है
fine.
तो आई कैन एक्चुअली डू इट ऑन एनी
I
डे
am
नाउ.
fine, ma'am. I am fine. आप
पहले
बताओ.
ऐसा था कि
Okay.
इसका स्कूल नहीं था तो इसका खुद का क्लास था ना, जर्मन क्लास मंडे एंड फ्राइडे.
हाँ तो आप बताओ कब
वो
रखना है.
दो
मैं I can manage, not a worry. If you tell me prior, I can change also. You tell me when do you want. I am fine with that. Okay.
Okay, I'll just look at most of the. Just give me a minute.
Can we keep on Monday directly after this? अभी नेक्स्ट कब रखनी है आज के
हाँ
बाद?
मंडे भी रख सकते हैं ना. एक सेकंड.
मंडे का एक्चुअली ना वील बी इन ट्रैवल एट दैट टाइम. मंडे कितने बजे फ्री हो आप?
अच्छा ओके. ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे कभी भी रख
फिर
सकते
तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. फिर तो मैं डेली भी रख लूंगा ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे को. नॉट अ वरी.
नहीं नहीं डेली मेरे को भी तो पढ़ना है.
अच्छा अच्छा. हाँ 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 हाँ. ओके. हाँ जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो बिकॉज इतना सारा कर रहे हैं तो फिर थोड़ा सा रिवाइज 2-3 बार करूंगी तब
बिल्कुल
जाके
बिल्कुल.
याद.
नहीं ये आपको देखो ये रेशियो लेके चलना है. आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर 1:2.5. 1 घंटे के बाद आपको 2.5 घंटे पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. ये फिक्स कर लेना हमेशा. ओके राइट. अभी इतना 1-2 लेक्चर इतना लोड नहीं है बिकॉज आई थिंक दीस थिंग्स यू नो ऑलरेडी. सो आई थिंक 30-40 मिनट्स आर सफिशिएंट फॉर
ये
यू टुडे.
एक्चुअली ये मेरे लिए ऑलरेडी रिवीजन
हाँ,
टाइप ही था तो
हाँ,
इसलिए
हाँ.
इट वाज इजियर.
But after that you do it like 1:2.5. Always devote 2 to 2.5 hour after the class. Always चाहे A1 हो चाहे B1 हो, always you have to study that much.
ओके. सो एक्चुअली मेरा 16th वेंसडे को वो है डॉक्टर अपॉइंटमेंट. तो अगर आपको नेक्स्ट वीक ट्यूसडे वेंसडे कभी भी चलेगा तो आई कैन डू ऑन एनी डे.
हाँ जी,
एक्चुअली
let's
मंडे
keep
मेरे
both.
लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. आई रिमेम्बर नाउ मुझे इसके साथ स्कूल जाना है तो
अच्छा.
ट्यूसडे या वेंसडे कोई भी टाइम पे
हाँ तो
चलेगा.
ट्यूसडे रख लेते हैं. ट्यूसडे इज योर आई थिंक 8th of
हाँ
February.
8th.
Right? 8th of February you are free.
8th ऑफ फेब रख सकते हैं एंड देन ट्यूसडेज रखते हैं फिर अभी तक तो जब तक चेंज नहीं होता है तब.
और ट्यूसडे के बाद थर्सडे नेक्स्ट डायरेक्टली है ना 10th.
ट्यूसडे के बाद तो फिर 3 दिन का गैप हो सकता है क्या?
हाँ मैं तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आप बताओ कब रखना है. ट्यूसडे के बाद फ्राइडे डायरेक्टली कब रखना है?
फ्राइडे रख सकते हैं पर फ्राइडे मेरा हॉस्पिटल का अपॉइंटमेंट है अगेन. एक्चुअली वो लास्ट मेरा ट्राइमेस्टर चल रहा है ना तो थोड़े से अपॉइंटमेंट ज्यादा हो रहे हैं हर
ओके
2
ओके
हफ्ते
ओके.
में.
तो कब रखना है फिर बताओ कब रखना है?
ट्यूसडे एंड
थर्सडे.
आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक एक्चुअली मेरे थर्सडे रख सकते हैं. थर्सडे शुड बी
कोई
ओके.
बात नहीं. अभी आप थर्सडे का नोट कर लो. नॉट अ वरी. इन केस यू वांट टू चेंज विल चेंज इट. नो वरीज.
ओके सो ट्यूसडे एंड थर्सडे एक बार के लिए
हाँ
नेक्स्ट
जी
वीक
हाँ जी हाँ जी. सेम टाइम 4:30 सॉरी
हाँ
3:30.
सेम टाइम इज ओके. दिस इज एक्चुअली परफेक्ट टाइम 11.
ठीक है मैंने लिख दिया आपको स्काइप पे. आप देख लो एक बार.
ओके
ट्यूसडे यू आर सेइंग 11 है ना 3:30.
हाँ ठीक है. 10th फेब राइट. हाँ 11 AM राइट.
हाँ
ठीक
11
है.
ना राइट. 8 and 10. ओके ठीक है. इतना करो आप एंड लेट्स मीट ऑन ट्यूसडे देन. ओके
ऑलराइट. ओके
ओके
बाय
बाय.
थैंक यू.
Can you say this?